WPU Vision, the leading university for holistic human development in West Philippines. WPU Mission. WPU commits to undertake quality instruction, research, and extension programs towards a progressive Western Philippines. Goals of the college. The premier college committed to produce morally upright and globally competitive graduates in the field of criminal justice and allied discipline. Generate and disseminate criminological researches to promote awareness on social justice and public safety. Objectives of the program. The program aims to provide future criminologists with strong interdisciplinary foundation to be able to respond appropriately and ethically in challenging real-world situations as they prepare to further education. So last is produce graduates equipped with leadership skills and high sense of integrity, accountability, and responsibility.